as you can see by the title, y'all are coming with us to make a meal, and it's really not a meal.
It's a snack. A big old fat snack.
Yeah, it's a big old fat. That's what it is. Look, y'all already know we love our snacks, especially me.
Yeah, she's a real snack person. But guys, we are trying to figure out the ingredients for what we were trying to get.
And
we're by the candy aisle.
We're gonna get. Wait.
Yeah, she's gonna show you guys what we're making.
I'm
we're already
at home because it'll be better. I think it'll be better if like we get the materials with y'all here, and then at home I show y'all it, and then we make it.
Okay. So we're by the candy aisle right now. The first thing that we're looking for is M&Ms. So we're gonna try to find those. Well, guys, they're literally.
So this is like
that's too big. Yeah, we are trying to look for the small M&Ms packs or like either like the candies that come in those big containers, not big containers, but like you know what I'm saying.
The front.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to get them in the
So we'll get that later. Okay, so.
Oh wait, they're right here.
Oh, they're right there.
Okay, we're gonna get these M&Ms, and now we are going to our next thing. Marshmallows. Okay. Marshmallows aren't in this aisle because these are like cookies and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna look for the marshmallows. Let's go. You guys, so we are getting to the marshmallows. Where are they at?
Marshmallows are over here.
Wait, do we need the
we need
the
No. Do
we need the no, why would we need that?
We need that vanilla paste.
Vanilla paste, where's that at?
Should it be on that side or will it be on the other side?
It could be over here.
Oh, it might be up here.
But that's vanilla extract.
Yeah, it's right here. Here's vanilla bean paste. Or we can get that one. No, this is the vanilla bean paste.
Okay. You want that one?
Yeah, let's get this one. I already see another one.
I don't see another one. I kind of don't know which one we're supposed to get because Amaya, she watched the video and like I kind of watched a little bit of it, so I don't really know exactly what we're supposed to get, but I have an idea.
We need to get eyeballs.
Wait, we need this as well.
Oh, yeah,
we need
we need some funfetti cake mix.
So we're gonna get this one because this is the exact one they had.
Or we can
wait.
Get
this one comes with.
One.
This comes with what is it called?
With what, icing?
Yeah.
Or we
that
can
comes
get this
with
one.
What is it called?
They're
the sprinkles.
Oh, those come
we
with
wouldn't have to get the sprinkles because it comes with it.
Does it say with sprinkles?
Yeah, with candy bits.
Okay, or do you want to get this one? This one's yellow cake.
Yellow cake tastes good.
Do you want to get yellow cake instead of this one?
Yellow cake.
Okay. Okay, what else do we need? We need some eyeballs.
Yeah. We're looking for eyeballs now, and then we're also looking for marshmallows.
Oh, we have vanilla bean paste. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I can make ice cream with this.
Nice. Okay. Now we are looking for
but these are kind of big. Do they have any other ones?
Those aren't big. Those are small. Those are kind of like the ones he had in the video.
Okay, and we need sprinkles. They have the sprinkles.
Yeah. These are sprinkles, but
they have sprinkles in here?
it comes with it. It's set with bits.
Girl, that don't mean with candy bits.
Candy bits. That's candy bits right there.
I don't know. Let's look it up. Because what happened if the candy bits means like it's inside?
No.
I think that's what it means.
That if it has that on the packet, it would have it.
No, I think it dry means that
Can
the
you
candy
stop
bits are
fixing your hair and look it up, please? Like, guys, we need to see. Okay, we're finna see. But while she looks at that, we're gonna also get marshmallows.
We need to also get
We need marshmallows too. So you want to get these?
Yeah, we can get them. But we also need to get some.
Oh, there's some over here too.
We also need to get some.
These are mini marshmallows. Okay, we're gonna get these.
These are cool looking.
Vanilla bean marshmallows. Those are cute. Okay, are you looking it up?
Yeah. I'm gonna say making. No, actually, let me just click it and then go to YouTube for it.
Oh my gosh! Literally, they're gonna have it in there. Watch.
Bro, they're
going to. Come on. All right, we're finna go now, and now we're gonna get butter. So let's get the butter now, and then I think that's the only thing that we need, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna get that, and then we're gonna get it going. So now we're trying to get the butter. We're probably gonna get the smallest one because we don't need that much.
Look, guys,
Bro.
This is all it is. That's all it is. It's no sprinkles in there. Bro, no, he did not. Look. Watch when you open it.
Can he hurry up?
Oh my goodness, bro.
Okay. Well, I guess that is okay.
Exactly. Let's just get sprinkles.
Okay, we're also getting butter. So
Yeah,
let's just get the
we need
butter.
some butter for this.
We're gonna get the small one though, not the big pack, because we don't need the big pack.
Yeah, we don't need that much.
So we are back because Amaya claimed so badly that they will not have sprinkles. So we're gonna get the bootleg.
Okay, wait.
looking
No, we
sprinkles.
can get the rainbow sprinkles. We can get these.
Those look
No, we
disgusting.
can get the colored sprinkles.
Okay, why you say it like that?
Because we're blackies. So do you want to get the blackies sprinkles or not?
No, I don't.
Or we can get the USA
No.
sprinkles. Or we can get some cuter sprinkles. You
Oh,
want to
wait,
get these?
no.
These are really cute.
What about these? These are cute. These are cute.
No, I don't really like that. I kind of
Fine.
like these though.
Just get it.
Cause they have different varieties of like
It's really not that
sprinkles in
deep.
there.
It's not
They
that
got
deep.
regular sprinkles, they got star sprinkles, they
It's not
got
that
small
deep.
sprinkles, and they got star sprinkles. Let's get these.
All right, so guys, we basically got everything that we need. We're finna get everything, and then we're finna head home to start cooking. So let's go.
All right, you guys, so we are back. We are back in the house, and we
Yes.
are getting started.
Okay, so let me show y'all the video real quick. Oh my bad. I didn't know what side you wanted to be on. But I'm finna show y'all the video inspo of what we're doing today.
It's gonna be super cool, super fun, and it's gonna be super interesting.
Okay, we know it's not Halloween, but this is what we're baking.
It's popcorn that is like mixed with.
It's spooky. It's called spooky marshmallow popcorn. So these are the instructions we're following, and I'm gonna show y'all it again. It looks like that, and it's kind of like sticky popcorn. I know what's her name, Neri Smith, something like that. Whatever her name is. She, the girl that made everything from scratch. She did these before too. But I think she made it from scratch. And I know in the last video we literally said we were gonna use a popcorn maker, but we did not use it. So we're going to use it today.
Woo! So we're gonna get started.
And we just have all the ingredients, y'all, that we literally had just went and bought, like the cake mix. Akaya's gonna get all the other stuff. The cake mix, the sprinkles, the marshmallows.
We got the butter.
The M&M's, and the googly eyes.
So we're just gonna get started right now. We gotta take this off. It's a little hot.
Oh. No, it's not.
Yes, the stove is.
Oh, okay.
All right, so we're gonna get started now, and we're gonna get a bowl.
Guys, I just literally washed dishes yesterday, so.
And we are just gonna start whipping up. So let's get started. We're getting started.
So the first step is butter, y'all, and we were gonna get butter over there, but we remembered we have some at home, so we're like, we don't need to get none. But I don't know if this is enough.
It should be.
They used a bunch of butter, Akaya. Like, he literally used a lot of butter.
Just use all of it. It's not that hard. You're not using all of it. You're using baby steps.
Girl, cause this is a fork.
Just get a spoon then. Why don't you get a
God,
spoon?
that's a lot of butter. Look at that video. That's a lot of butter he used.
Okay, well, put all the butter in.
Okay, guys, so after
Yeah,
you
don't
add
put
the
no
butter, bro,
we are now gonna add the marshmallows.
Yeah, we're now gonna add the marshmallows. And so I gotta open them first. We're gonna add the marshmallows. I'm not sure how much we're supposed to add. It says 12 ounces, and this is not 12 ounces, but I think that this will be fine. We're gonna mix it in
Until it turns into a gooey substance.
Yeah.
So it's gonna probably take a minute. Okay, so it is in a gooey-like substance. And now what Amaya is doing is opening up the fondant.
Girl, this ain't no fondant. This is funfetti.
Oh, okay, that's what
And we're gonna pour it in here now. And he said to do half of it. Just keep mixing. And I don't think, ooh, I think that's smart. Cause we barely have any marshmallows. And the reason why we barely have any marshmallows is because we didn't have a lot of butter. So now we need to mix it up, the funfetti in here. And this looks good already,
Yeah,
y'all.
it looks really good. It looks like we're cooking a cake. And now what we're gonna do is put the popcorn in our popcorn machine and start making some popcorn that we're gonna put in here.
Yes. Anyway, y'all, so we have the popcorn maker. This is what you do. You take the top, you take this, wash it off because you remember
Oh
glass
my gosh,
fell.
you
No,
do
you remember
it.
glass fell.
No.
Go wash it. No, because I don't wanna have nothing
There's
in my
no
throat.
glass
Just
on
please
here.
Go wash it. Please go wash it. Okay. So you take some of this popcorn, these corn kettles, whatever this mess is. You fill it up like so.
I'm trying.
Why are you taking that much? Y'all, we're literally not even gonna have enough for this. But literally you put it in there like this. You just dump it in there. And you add the seasoning later. And then you turn it on. So we got these little popcorn things. And I gotta hurry up. And you do it like this. And then y'all will see it start popping up. we're gonna tilt it back.
All right, now we're gonna put the popcorn in.
Yeah, we're gonna put the popcorn in here now. Scoot over here more so you can see. And you're supposed to mix it in. We're just gonna use that much popcorn because I think we have too much popcorn actually. Okay, let's put it down over here and then I'm gonna show you.
Keep putting the heat on it.
Y'all, is this a fail? Okay, no, it's actually not. We just gotta keep mixing it. So keep mixing it.
Why is it looking like this?
Is it hard for you to mix? You just want me to mix it or you got it?
I don't want to crinkle the popcorn.
Let me do it because you going a little slow. Here we go. So we can add some more popcorn. I think I want to add some more popcorn.
So we are now done with the mixing. This is what it's giving.
Yeah, get more in the camera so I can see you because I can't see you.
I'm showing them what it looks like. And now we're gonna add the rest of the stuff.
We're gonna add some eyeballs. These eyeballs are really big.
Then we also have some M&Ms.
Yes. And we also have some sprinkles.
I'm gonna mix this all in.
And I like these sprinkles, so I'm probably gonna use these sprinkles again, but for some else. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That felt like my teeth was gonna fall out. This is hard. Y'all, we're trying to move fast because we're trying to go to the Glenda movie today.
Girl, say Wicked.
It's Wicked. Yeah, I don't know why I'm just saying Glenda, but it's
Glinda.
Glenda's one of the witches. Glenda's the pink witch, and then I don't know the other name.
The pink witch.
The pink, yes, she
The pink is Ariana Grande.
Girl, but her name in the movie. Okay, y'all. So this is how it look. Hold up. Let me pick it up because it's so sticky. Like, I could just pick up the whole thing.
This is what it looks like, guys.
It looks good. Okay, we're finna put it into a bowl, and we're gonna try it out with y'all.
Let's do that. You guys, so we're just putting it
Y'all,
on.
why is it so stiff? And all the stuff sticking over here to this pan. Ooh. Okay, let's just try it out though.
All right, we're gonna try it now.
Okay, guys. So now
we're gonna try it.
yeah, we're finally gonna try it. Okay, guys, look at it. Look at that cheese pool.
Okay.
Ready? I low-key wanted to eat an eyeball with it. Ready, set, go.
That's really good. That's good. I really
This is nice, but I just wish it would stay like that liquidy kind of marshmallow. What do you rate it?
like a 7.
I really like an 8.
Because this makes this bland popcorn not so bland no more.
You know, I like all the different like accessories in it, like the M&Ms, the sprinkle, the eyeballs. It really tastes like really nice with it.
It's like I can't stop eating it.
And then the marshmallows give it like a vanilla taste.
This is really good. All right, y'all.
Recommend.
We made it. And now
And it went right, y'all.
we can end out the video. Peace out. Love you guys.